The U.S. is in the midst of a shortage of medical workers, and it's projected to get only worse by the end of this decade.
Vermont State University has plans in motion to grow their nursing program to help end the shortage in the state's healthcare system. To discuss what they're doing to create a change,
NBC5's Tyler Bronsky spoke to VTSU's president and a leader within one of the state's major hospital networks to discuss what they're doing to create change. Tyler?
Alice Bryan, through both state and federal funding, Vermont State University is making physical improvements to some of their select campus locations, as well as growing their partnerships with local hospitals, hoping to create a pipeline for their students to get into the workforce quicker.
Major expansions underway at all of Vermont State University's nursing locations through extensive classroom renovations and needed equipment updates to help address the ongoing nursing shortage in the Green Mountain State.
It'll give us the space to really enhance our student base in this program, which, as you know, is an incredible need right now in Vermont.
VTSU President David Berg says over the next 3 years, they expect to increase their enrollment by nearly 50%, with plans to expand their nursing student capacity from 676 to 1,000. He says none of this would be possible without Vermont's congressional delegation, who secured more than $6 million to fund the project.
The best way to get the nurses we need is to give them training, affordable training opportunities right here in Vermont. And I think the Vermont State College system can play a major role in that.
Betsy Hassan is UVM Medical Center's Director of Nursing. She agrees and believes growing their relationship with institutions like VTSU can help them fill the 800 nursing vacancies they have across all their hospitals.
The programs that we're doing are unique in terms of investing in pathway programs that grow faculty as well as nursing students. I think is what we're doing a little bit differently to help solve the problem.
This week, Governor Phil Scott and the Agency of Human Services announced more help, a nursing workforce grant of more than $5 million to distribute across the 4 key healthcare institutions, including UVM Health Network.
This is an opportunity for us to focus in that area because health and safety is obviously important to us.
Hassan says the roughly $1.5 million they're receiving from the grant will help them with their college program pathway to provide nursing students with paid real-world experience and create a pipeline to get them working at a UVM Health Network hospital after completing all their schooling requirements. She also says it will help bridge the connection for their current employers to enter in Vermont State University's MSN program for those interested in becoming educators.
We as an employer are investing in our nursing staff to, one, get a master's level degree, but then we're also investing in our academic partners to have stability in their clinical faculty.
Berg believes between the physical campus improvements and their partnerships with healthcare institutions across the state, it should help draw more students to their programs.
The students know that they're getting properly equipped and prepared for these high-demand careers.
Vermont State University says construction at their select campus locations in Castleton, Johnson, Linden, and Williston is already underway. They plan to have some of these expanded sites available to students as soon as next year. Live in the newsroom tonight, Tyler Bronsky, NBC5 News.